So the answer is yes. You do if you are considering wired charging. So you will need to buy a charger with a maximum power of 25 watts because that's the maximum wired charging capacity of this Samsung S25. If you are looking to buy a wireless charger, then a 15 watts charger will be fine because this is the maximum speed. I'm actually using 5 watts. It also works, but it's not actually reaching the highest speed of this phone. And of course, you can also charge this phone using a cable connected to a laptop or any other device that can provide power to charge the phone. And if you already have a charger at home, you can simply use that and there is no need to buy a new one. So that actually depends. This is actually your choice. You can use old charger, but you can also use new one. Of course, you don't have to purchase charger from Samsung. So as you can see, I'm using 125 watt charger and it's actually made from Motorola. So this is it. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.